Hey all, now I'm going to run my code. So the code shows the estimated overlap area for the simple and the complex parts. So the first, let us go into the questions, which is as show your code working on simple case. So on a simple case, so here I showed my code with an example of where the middle two ellipses are closed and then overlapping, that is 0 to 0 and 2 0, and also the other one for one ellipse and the one and the other one is 1 to 0 and 3 to 0 for the other both ellipses had which has the same size. And when I run the code, you can see the simple one has the area of 20.92716, and so this means the code correctly found, and the area where ellipses cross, and it works as a basic example. So the second question is show your code working on the hard complicated example. So next I tested with the ellipse of 0 to 0 and point of 40. So this and also 22 and 62, which is a complex one, and the overlap is shown here, that is 45.331. And this shows works well in the harder case where the overlap is shaped differently. And the next question is present your ellipse class. When it comes to the ellipse class, you can see the code I have called as ellipse. It needs the points of focus on width, and inside the class, which is the function, the inside function, which is distance from the point to each of the focus point. If the total smaller than or equal to the ellipse size, then it says the point is inside. This follows how real ellipse work with the math. And the last question is show the main accept reject loop of the algorithm. The accept and reject loop of the algorithm based on the method of overlap on the first area, which is I created a box of ellipse that I pick, and also the lot of random points in the box. For each point I check the inside both ellipse. If the count and after checking many points, I use the count to estimate the overall area and also overlap, and then overlap the area. So this is how the method is called Monte Carlo and method, with the loop is just doing checking again and again for many points. Thank you.